Hey guys, Jared back again. So I just finished posting my Android L developer preview sort of walkthrough video, and at the end of it I mentioned I would show you guys a how to install video before the end of the day. So luckily the developer of Multi-ROM actually managed to compile the developer L preview Google factory image and upload it to his mega upload account. That said, there is some prerequisites. One, you have to be rooted. I'm going to assume you guys are all rooted. Two, you have to have a custom recovery installed, either Clockwork Mod Recovery or TWRP. Chances are every single person who's watching this has that. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started and switch on over to the computer screen so you guys can get a better idea of what I'm talking about. So in the link, in the description below this video, I'm going to post a link is what I meant to say. And that link is going to be to this page here. And as you can see, this is actually the Google factory image for Android L. And here it's 405 megabytes and it's going to download really fast. So once you've downloaded it, go ahead and save it somewhere that you'll remember where to find it. Alrighty, so once you've downloaded it, what you're going to go ahead and do is we'll switch on over to the, I guess we'll call it the device cam. Just go ahead and plug your device in like so. And we'll make sure that on my computer, there we go. So I'm using Mac, obviously, as you guys can tell, but this will be the exact same process as for Windows. So anyways, as you can see, I've got my internal storage. I've even got TWRP installed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and drag and drop that file into the root directory of my storage here, and we'll just wait for that to finish loading. Alrighty, so it's in there. There we go. Now we can go ahead and close that out. In fact, you can also unplug your device. Now, this is where we're going to boot into recovery. So, switching over to the device camera, we're going to go ahead and power our device off, like so. I'm sure all of you guys are aware of how to do that. Let me go ahead and put the phone back in the frame there. Might make things a little bit easier. So then what we're going to do is press and hold the volume down and power button at the same time. So we'll press and hold that. Again, we'll bring the phone back into frame. There we go. And you're going to use the volume rocker to make your selection. So we're going to select recovery mode, as you can see right there. And we're going to press the power button to enter into recovery mode. And we'll wait for TWRP. Again, if you guys are using Clockwork Mod Recovery, it doesn't really matter. So we'll just wait. TWRP always seems to take a little bit at their splash screen here. Okay, so now that we've got TWRP all open up, ready to go, we're going to verify that we in fact have that zip. So I'm going to go to install here, and I'm going to scroll on down, and as you can see, we've verified that it is in fact loaded onto the internal storage. So now that we know that, we can go ahead and go to wipe, and we're just going to go ahead and wipe all. So it's doing the factory data reset. We'll click back, we'll click on home again, go back to install, scroll to the bottom, and we're going to select our zip, just like so. Then all we have to do is just simply swipe across. And we'll wait for that to install because it might take a few moments. Alrighty, and as you can see, we're done flashing. It's done installing. That took maybe about 60 seconds, give or take a few. And from this point on, literally all you have to do is click on Reboot System. And it's going to say your device does not appear to be rooted. That's fine because this will erase root. So we're going to go ahead, actually install super user now. You know what? I'm going to say yes to install SU now because I've got another trick up my sleeve to show you guys how to root Android L in another video. So if you're watching this right now, go ahead and select yes, install super SU. So we'll just go ahead and wait for this to reboot, and you guys will be able to see the boot up animation. Keep in mind though, while you're waiting for this to boot, because it's using the new runtime art, it's going to take almost, it seems, at least it seemed to me last time, twice as long for the first boot than you've ever experienced ever. I almost shit my pants. It was literally like 5 minutes. I've never waited that long for a device to boot from a fresh flash. So anyways, let's be patient and make sure that this boots up properly. And there we go. As you can see, it booted up just fine. Again, it did take quite some time for it to boot up. Maybe 5 minutes was a bit of an exaggeration, but pretty damn close. So anyways, guys, that is it for this one. I really hope, it's been a while since I've done a how-to flash video, so I really hope that I was clear and to the point this time again. But anyways, guys, that's it for this one. If you found this video helpful at all, please do me a favor and click that likes button down below. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more videos in the future. But that's it. Thanks as always for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.